Hi, are you ever in your car or in an office or in a meeting and all of a sudden you have this great idea and you think, oh, I don't want to lose that idea. How do I keep track of all these ideas? Let me share with you what I do to keep track of all my newsletter ideas, my emails, marketing campaign ideas, video ideas. What I do is I actually email myself. So what I'll do is I'll pull my phone out in the middle of a meeting, hop on my email real quick, and I'll send myself an email. No information in the body, just in the subject line, it'll say, create a video sharing tips and tricks. Right? And then I will email that to myself, to my Lean Management Solutions email address. And then within that email system, I've created little boxes, right? Little folders. And I'll have a folder over here that says ideas, right? And then there will be subfolders underneath that. Video ideas, newsletter ideas, marketing ideas, people I should talk to, right? And then what I will do is I'll just stick that idea when the email comes through. I don't even read it, right? Just pop it over there, stick it in the idea box. And so that when it comes time in my schedule and I have time to think about these ideas and really ruminate over them and think about how I'm going to implement them and some cool things I can do, or maybe I have some free time in my schedule, right? Something opens up and I think, well, I don't want to waste this free time. What is something quickly I can do? I'll pop up in my ideas box. I'll look over there and I'll go, that's going to take too long. That right there, I can do that idea in 5 or 6 minutes. And maybe it's a reminder to check out an email or post something on my website, right? And that way I don't lose my thoughts and my ideas. Because I don't know about you, but the number of times I think about something and think that's a great idea, and then 5 minutes later it's gone because I've moved on to something else. I hope you found this useful. If you have questions, please send me email me. I'm going to have information below in the comments. I'll have a link to my website, a link to my free resources. Please keep save that website somewhere, save that link, because I'm constantly updating the free resources. Because what I want ultimately is for you to use all those free resources first before you need me. But if you need me, please reach out. I'm here to help. I'm a teacher. That's what I do. Thanks. Please like and subscribe below.